Hello friends, welcome. Today we will discuss one example of the Moore machine. So here the state table is given that these are the present states A, B, C and D, and these are the next states and the inputs are given to you. So it has only the two inputs. It means 0 and 1. Okay, sigma is equals to 0 and 1. So A on getting input 0 it goes to B, A on getting input 1 it goes to C, B on getting input 0 it goes to B, C on getting input 1 it goes to D, C on getting input 0 it goes to C, and C on getting input 1 it goes to D, D on getting input 0 it goes to D, and D on getting input 1 goes to D. And here are the outputs. So the outputs here are those outputs which are of this states. Okay, here we have already learned that in the case of Moore machine the output is depending upon the present state. Okay, so here the states are associated with the output already, but in the case of Mealy machine we have known that the states the output is depending upon both present state as well as the present input. So in the case of this Moore machine, the output is already associated with the states. So here you can see state diagram. Here you can see A on getting input 0 it goes to B, but it produces an output x2 because A is associated with the x2. Here you can see there is 0 and 1. Okay, so A is there. A on getting input 0 it goes to this B, and A on getting input 1 it goes to this C. Okay, but it produces an output which is of this A. It means whatever the output is associated with this A, it means x2. So like this, in the case of the Moore machine we have drawn the diagrams. Okay, and here you can see B on getting input 0 it goes to B itself and it produces an output x1. In the same case, B on getting input 1 it goes to this D and it produces an output x1 only, because the states are present states are associated with this output. Okay, we have to write in the outputs whatever the states are present states are associated with those outputs, we have to write there. And the same case you can see here, C on getting input 0 it goes to D, and on getting input 1 it remains in C, but the output produced by this C is x2. So this is the basic difference between the Mealy and the Moore machine. I hope the difference will be clear to you. Thank you friends. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं फ्रेंड्स तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आपको लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस मिलती रहे. एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी यू कैन आस्क इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. थैंक यू.